you the best racer around. How do you do it?
I'll show you. You want to put it in first. Look at the speedo. Around 3,000, you want to hold your foot. Right. Let off the clutch a little bit so you feel the car go forward. Press it the tiniest bit, just so whenever you let off the clutch, you go. You just hold the gas. Don't hold it the whole way down to the floor. Just hold it like halfway throttle. Then you feel the car catch traction. You floor it. Right as it bangs, like 82 to 85. You shift a second. It's just gonna keep spinning. That's all right. You're gonna feel it catch traction. As soon as it catches traction, at 82.50 you shift. Never let off the gas when you shift. Never. That foot should not come up off. I don't care what you do. Tape it on there. Again, 82.50. After you do all that, put these bad boys on. Make sure that they're shining for everybody to see. Once you're about to hit 8,000 again, clutch in, let off the gas. Boom, boom, boom. Turn these off because everybody saw the view. And that's it. Drive it back. That's how you win, man. That's how it's done.